Y'all, man, let y'all see what they look like. I haven't saw them either, so it's gonna be a surprise for both of us.
The fam, that's what they call me. Promise that you never be lonely.
You ready?
Yeah, it's recording.
I know. Ha!
What the
It's your
hell?
boy T-Lite. Oh yeah. Got it, baby. Turn that thing up, baby. Fat little butt on there. You know what I'm saying? What you talking about, baby girl? Hold on. What's this here right here? Got my address on? They had it in there. But yeah. Put that on you real quick, Clark. Today, man, I received my Ikon Motorsports side skirts. These side skirts will go down there, man. I'm gonna get straight to the point, man. Shout out to my light crew, the Likens, man. You know who you is, baby. Yeah, I got this little Ikon Motorsports side skirts. They gonna go right here on the car. Received them in the mail, man. I'm gonna go ahead and open them up for y'all, man. Let y'all see what they look like. I haven't saw them either, so it's gonna be a surprise for both of us. You know what I'm saying? I figured I'd open them up with y'all, even though y'all didn't pay a goddamn dime to help me get them, but I still will open them up so y'all can check them out. And I'm not gonna put them on today because I'm tired, man, and I don't really feel like doing nothing. I've been ripping and running all day, but we're gonna bust them open today, man. See what they talking about, see what they looking like. You know, bad boys up. I got this razor, in case you want to know where I got this razor from. Man, I'm on the bullshit. I got this from Ross. Actually, I got this from Ross too. I got it out of their little clearance section. I think it was $2. $2? Maybe $2. $2. So if you want to know where I got that from, $2 I paid. Make sure when you open it in your box, do not dig into the box like this, because you can scratch up your product, baby. Scratch your Ikon Motorsports products up. Who take this? They put this in 2 boxes? Okay. See what they talking about real quick. I'm gonna open that up. I'm gonna open up the back side. See that anyway. Don't let them see that D. Address on there, you know what I'm saying? They try to come get me. Let me cut that off, matter of fact. Open them up and open them on up. See what they talking about. You can tell I got this one, Ross. This ain't long. Jeez. How long these damn things is. These things are long as hell. Open them from up here. They got them taped up. The gnat tried to go in my ear and live. Mosquitoes getting to you? Bugs getting to you too, D?
No, I'm good. I'm
good?
looking for honey.
Oh, she good. She ain't gonna roll. Bad boy, look. Damn, man. You take this fucking together.
You want to make sure your product is secured,
Man, make sure
so you ain't trying to do no returns.
Man, they don't want no return, period. Returns? Nah, we don't do that. This Ikon you talking about, baby. We do not do returns. Shit, I can't even get these motherfuckers up out of here. Golly. As you can see, they got these bad boys wrapped up snuggy duggy. They got it wrapped up real nice, which is good. It lets you know that they took time. Here go the little screws right here. Same screws that, actually these are the same screws that I use to get on, put the diffuser and all that on. Same kind of screws come in it. So how many is it? 8 screws. 8 screws come in it. Let's see what we're talking about real quick. We're just gonna take one of them out just to see what it look like.
Okay.
I'm gonna say, man, that motherfucker like it's scratched up a little bit. Man. It ain't scratched up. I was gonna be pissed off, man. Pistola. I'm assuming they go like this. Like that.
Yeah.
Actually, they go like this. I think they sit up like that. What you think?
No, they don't. I don't think they sit up like
Think
that.
like
I think it's like you had it the first time.
Like that?
Yeah, well, you know, with that part all the way up to the car.
Like that?
Yeah, that's like a little. I don't know how this go, bro. Don't give me the line to the people.
Yeah.
You know I don't know.
Check this out. We don't know how these motherfuckers go. Right now, we don't have the slightest clue how these motherfuckers go. So
We gonna figure it out.
we're gonna figure it out. And obviously, they don't really know how they go either, because they ain't give you not one hole to drill. You gotta drill your own holes. So I don't know how they go. I'm pretty sure you gotta look up on a motherfucking Ikon Motorsports website to see how these bad boys go. Hold on. Motherfucker stick. Yeah, so we don't know how these motherfuckers go. We're gonna try to figure them out. I just want to let y'all see what they look like. I know they look like they scratch, but they really not scratch. It's like some
What kind of is that? That's not gloss, huh?
No, these are not gloss. These
No,
are
it's
matte.
like the same. Okay, the same material.
Same.
It's already on varnish.
Same.
Yeah.
I got it to look all like this.
Okay.
I want everything to look the same. You know what I'm saying? On my car, I didn't want to have gloss side skirts, regular ass black on the back. You're like, what's going on here? So yeah, we got everything looking the same. They do look a little flimsy as hell. You know what I'm saying? Look like they cheaply made. But when I put them on there, they're gonna swear they're not. So. And hey, if you don't like them, you could always get you some better side skirts. But I'm pretty sure all side skirts are flimsy like this. Because why would they be thick? You want them to be thin. So.
Well, yeah, they're gonna be flimsy anyway.
Yeah.
As long as they when you put them on, you know they're gonna be sturdy.
Once
they get drilled on.
Good.
Yeah.
Because I already know they're gonna look good. We just gotta figure out exactly how they go on. Because they don't give you not the slightest fucking instructions on how to get these on. Excuse my language, kids. Or your mom ain't watching, so she don't know what you listen to. But yeah, this is what they look like. It's gonna take me a minute to figure them out. And once I figure them out, I will put them on. And I will do a video and let y'all see me put them on so you can know how to put these bad boys on. I will fuck up for you so you don't have to mess up. I will mess up for you so you don't mess up. Because my first one, I'm definitely going to be drilling some holes wrong. But yeah. And you're going to have to definitely drill into this part right here. So be looking to drill. It is what it is. But yeah, with that being said, man, that's the end of the goddamn video, man. Let me stop playing it. That's the end of the video. Wasn't nothing big. Like I said, I got this. I paid $200 something. I think I paid $210 for them.
Where you get them from?
These,
eBay?
Ikon Motorsports.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I paid $210.
You got them directly from the website, or you did it through eBay?
I did it through Amazon.
Oh, Amazon. Okay.
They had them on Amazon, so I sent Amazon my cash, and they sent me this back. These
Okay.
might not even be the size skirt.
Yeah, but how long did it take for you to get them
Probably about
in the mail?
5 days.
About
Probably
5
about a
days?
week.
Okay.
It took about a week to get them. Came in the mail. I'm just not opening them, but yeah, it took me about a week, and it all goes to this whole little set right here. The diffuser, these little side louver things.
So you ordered all this stuff around the same time?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
All this stuff came around the same time. Then you got the front splitter. All this Ikon Motorsports.
Okay.
You know, the poor man's builder kit. I'm just playing. It's not the poor man builder's kit. Somebody about to break their whole screen because I said that. Come on, I'm just playing, baby. Yeah, but yeah, that splitter was $200 something. That's like almost $300. That diffuser was almost $300. Don't get it twisted. That is, none of this stuff is cheap. So yeah, that right there is my side skirts, and I will be putting those on soon. Probably put them on tomorrow. I don't feel like doing it today. I'm tired, man. So with that being said, go ahead and leave you with something positive. I need to leave these gnats alone because they is out here attacking something crazy, man. I stay in the wooded areas, like, so yeah, it's a whole bunch of bugs out here. But with that being said,
She across the street.
honey, come on. My chihuahua in the streets. But yeah, with that being said, y'all always be positive, man. Just don't be running around with negative Ned and negative Nancy. Don't try to kick it with those two foolsies just to be cool. Basically, man, be a leader to your crew. Always uplift your crew. Always be an example, a positive example for those that are watching you. Somebody always watching you, so always be positive, man. Don't never put your head down. Always try to be great. And with that being said, it's your boy T-Lite. And I'm out this piece. Jittig.
Fam, that's what they call me. Promise that you